Firstly, do your company research. Know what the company do, who the competitors are, and then secondly, know exactly where they're located. Arrive early. Don't put yourself under any undue stress by rushing to the interview. Okay? Dress professionally. First impressions count, believe you me. Also, when you meet the actual person you're doing the interview with, meet them and greet them with a firm handshake and maintain good eye contact throughout the course of the interview. Okay? Very importantly, always listen to the question being asked. People quite often fall into the trap of getting something out that they want to tell the person that they've done instead of actually answering the question that's been asked. Okay? Importantly, and possibly one of the most important points you could say is, use examples to highlight your skills and experience. There's no point in just saying, I'm very professional or I'm very this. You have to give an actual example to back it up. Okay? And again, know your CV from start to finish, because expect to be asked anything at any part of your CV throughout the course of the interview. That should help you hopefully secure the right job.